Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Alright, today got several things to cover. But first I want to tell you, I'm still very optimistic for the $2,000 stimulus check. I'm going to break down a couple of the reasons why. The biggest thing is it's an election year. Nancy Pelosi has introduced the $1,200 stimulus check. She sends it over to the Democrat side. They're saying it's not going to happen, it's dead in the water and all that crap, but that's just a bunch of baloney. That's political play. They're doing that to posture. Okay, but what they're going to end up doing, in my opinion, is cutting out all of her pork fat. And they're going to put in a $2,000 stimulus check. Then they're going to have to send it back to her for them to vote on it and approve it. Okay? If she says no on that, she looks like the bad one. Okay, Donald Trump and his party over here, they don't want to be the one to say no, so they're going to put it back in her court. She don't want to be the one to say no because it's going to look bad on her and her party. It's all about votes. They're killing time to get you closer to that voting day. So whichever one, when it comes back to the Democrat side, they're going to eventually approve it and it's going to get passed for the $2,000 stimulus check, but it's going to have a lot less of all that pork fat that's in it. Nobody wants to be the one to say no because they know when they say no, that's political suicide. Donald Trump knows that if he says no, he's done. The Democrats know if they say no, they're done. Neither one of them's going to say no. When it comes the time, which we know it's now, but when they say it's time, it's going to get passed. You mark my word, it will get passed. Okay. I don't know about other states. I've been keeping track with Florida because that's where I'm at. But the unemployment system is broken. They're blaming it on the software program that's in their computer that they spent all these billions of dollars to get built. But it's broken. It's not working. It's not keeping up. My question is to them, what in the hell did they do before they got a computer? Turn the damn thing off and start writing checks and sending them out to the people that need them. Quit playing around. Quit using excuses. Get people paid. It's that simple. You got all of these people playing these political games and playing with the computer system and answering phone calls that don't get answered. Put them people to work writing checks. Get these people paid. Okay, Michigan, right now they're going through that terrible flood. My heart goes out to them. Plus, they're dealing with a pandemic just like we are. They're dealing with the same struggles that we are. Plus, they got the flood on top of that. They're losing their homes. Everybody is losing their homes one way or the other, but theirs is floating down the street. Their governor, with the great wisdom she has, lifted her stay-at-home order. She says it's okay to get out of your house. I'm so glad she told them it's okay to get out of the house before it floats down the street. She saved some lives there. Y'all, it's time to quit listening to these politicians and puppet masters. Start taking responsibility for yourself. If you want to go back to work, go back to work. If you want to reopen your business, reopen your business. If you want to go hang out at the park, go hang out at the park. If you don't feel comfortable doing these things, don't do them. But don't try to stop anybody else from doing it if they want to. People are grown. People can make their own decisions. If you feel comfortable going out somewhere, go out. If you feel like your life is in danger by getting the COVID virus, stay home. God, that's simple. but nobody seems to be able to grasp it. Y'all, keep your heads up. We're going to come out of this thing. It may take a little longer than anybody thought. And one more thing. All these people that's complaining about, okay, I've seen pictures of the beach. I've been to the beach. And it's crowded. People are staying apart as much as they need to, though. But when you look over the big picture that they take from the sky, it looks crowded. Get closer. You can tell that they are 6 feet apart. But all the people that's screaming that they shouldn't be out there, they're spreading the virus and all that. How many of those people went to Walmart, Home Depot, or Lowe's? How many? There's no difference. Y'all, worry about yourself. Make decisions for yourself. And leave everybody else alone. I love you all. Until tomorrow, please come back. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down. Leave your comments. Just know I love you all. Ciao.